LinkedIn apps. Okay, so just go to your Play Store and then go to search bar, type LinkedIn. Okay, go to LinkedIn, then click on LinkedIn. Just go outside, sorry, not outside, downside, I'm so sorry. You can see Google Play refund policy, click there. From there again the same process that we are discussing in many videos related to refund of WPS, Canva, LinkedIn, and then Render Forest and many other apps. Okay, just go downside, you can see request a refund, go there. From there you need to click on continue, confirm your mail ID, confirm, then select a purchase. You can see if you have bought any purchase of LinkedIn, then you can see it right here like this kind of thing. So right now this is active, like you can see 20 on 28th of September I bought this, like ordered this. So but I don't want to cancel it, then you can click here and then you can continue. Just choose any reason, whatever you want. Don't want item anymore, then continue, then type anything, like you can type anything, or you can type reason, I don't need it, or maybe I don't like cost issue or not required, anything like this. Then you can proceed. I don't want to cancel it, so not moving forward. Okay, so yeah, I hope this will help. This will sort your problem of getting a refund from LinkedIn. Just if you have any issue, just let me know again. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.